Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation. The purpose of our project is to understand sign languages and translate it by recognizing the facial and sign gestures made by the person. The app name of ours is Pastulator, and now let's have a look at the screens one by one. So first comes the booting screen, and then after some while it will turn into the mode screen where you can choose from the signer and listener. We'll choose the signer, and here comes a detailed instruction of what they have to do. And we have a back and next button for navigation purposes, and the next button so that the person has read the instructions first and then clicks next. This leads us to the translation screen, and as you can see, the gesture and facial recognition is happening, and the machine is trying to understand the signs conveyed. Meanwhile, on the top there are the back and the done button for easier navigation purposes. And now you'll see the person in the screen is completing a sentence, and he will complete it with a cross gesture to indicate that they have completed the translation, and a translation will show up on the top. So when the translation shows up, you have the option to listen to the translation, which can be clicked by this button, the speaker button. When you click it, you can hear the translation. But if you find an error, you can also click on the text and a keyboard will come up, and you can write the correct version of the sentence and then click done. This will lead to a feedback page where you can give us ratings, and when you have given the rating, it will go back to the booting screen. So we now go back to the same mode screen and choose listener this time. So we see there's another set of instruction for the listener, and when you press next, you go back to the next translation screen. And this time, as you can see, the person has a sad face, but he's doing the same gestures, and this is what we have done, so that on based on the sentiment, a different translation will come up. So there is the translation, a different one. And now when you press done, it comes back to the feedback screen. You give your feedback, and that's done. Thank you for watching our demonstration.